January 24th. I just left the house. It's 3:30. 21 degrees out. A buddy of mine has a shooting shack that they use during deer season. He put some coyote bait out and has been having fairly consistent pictures on it. Not every night, but pretty close to every night. Anywhere between, 7 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 6 at night, 7 at night, midnight. So I just came off nights, so I'm going to kind of stay in the groove of the night brain kind of deal. So what I'll do is I'm going to try to get into their shack around 4:30. It's only about 20 minutes from here. Then I'm going to stay probably till midnight, or I get some shooting in. If I do get some shooting in, I'm probably going to stay a little while longer just in case there's a pair of them. If not, I'm just going to, brave the elements. It's going to be cold tonight. I'm dressed for it. And I'm just going to make the best of it. Embrace the challenge. Embrace the temperatures. Hopefully we can get some action and try to protect the deer herd down there a little bit. And just try to make the best of the evening. And that's all we can do, right? Hope for the best. Put the effort in. Whatever's meant to be is meant to be, correct? We just got to roll with it. Okay. The wind makes it pretty chilly. So, I'm not sure how far of a walk it is. But I'm walking down just to try to not spook them the best that I can. Pretty windy. That's okay. I'm dressed for it. Plenty warm. Coyote tracks all over the place. That's a good sign, right? He said he had 2 of them on the bait the other night. One was sitting there eating. And the other one just sitting there watching. All over the place. Here's my little shack. All set up. Got the scope charging right now. It's at 58%. That should give me 5 hours. But I'm gonna leave it plugged in. Sun's starting to set. Wind's dying down a little bit. I'm dressed perfect. Right now I'm very comfortable. I mean, it might drop some, but the wind's dying down a little. Even still, it's not really windy in here. So that's a good thing. I don't have much range to shoot. I can only shoot from like here to here, which is not that much.
This one. I just shot one. It's like 5:30. The thing came out of nowhere. Unreal. This one right there. Yeah, baby. 2 down. 2 down. Heck yeah. It's like 8:30. Thing came to the edge of the field. It started howling. And there was one down below. I never saw that one. But, man, a good night. 2 down. Heck yeah. Well, I'm cold enough. And I've already got 2. So, let's go see if we can see what they look like here. Nice looking dog. What a great experience. The other one's just right over there. This thing came out, I think it's all fatty. This thing came out sitting here on the field here, howling. I'll admit, I got a little excited there for a minute. The thing came up, just started howling. It was already out in the field. I never saw it. It's number 2. Geez, that second one. That's a good size one. Both good size, really.
Well, it's been a successful night. Can't thank my buddies enough. Let me come down and sit in their shack. There was 3 coyotes that came in. I got this one around 5:30. Got that one around 8:30, but that one come in with another one, and I couldn't get a shot on the other one, so I'm very happy. It's only like 9 now, so what an evening, really. You know, successful. The guy had said that they really weren't having any deer that they usually feed coming out, and I would imagine these had something to do with that. So kind of mutual helping here, you know. He lets me hunt, and hopefully it helps the deer herd and allows them to enjoy watching them in their backyard. What a great night.